Good evening, Honorable Judge, members of the House, and my fellow debaters. We, the opposition team, stand firmly against the motion this House regrets the massive involvement of AI in the professional workplace. We believe that the integration of AI in the workplace is not something to regret, but rather something to embrace, regulate, and maximize. Artificial intelligence has entered almost every sector of work, from healthcare and education to manufacturing and creativity industries. While it is true that AI disturbed traditional roles, history shows us that technology revolutions, such as the Industrial Revolution or the rise of computer, always reshape the labor market, but ultimately lead to greater prosperity, productivity, and innovation. Therefore, regretting AI's involvement is a step backwards. The problem identification. The proposition identifies AI presence as a problem itself. We disagree. The real issue is not AI itself, but how society manages the transition. The key problems are unequal distribution of access and training for workers, fear of job loss due to automation, lack of ethical and regulation frameworks. Instead of regretting AI, the problem is how we integrate AI responsibility. As the opposition, we firmly stand that massive involvement of AI in the workplace is not something to regret. Instead, it is something to embrace, manage, and regulate, because it brings more benefit than harm in the long run. Our mechanism focus on integration, regulation, and empowerment. The first is detection. Identify which sectors are most impacted by AI disruption. The second one is assessment. Evaluate which jobs are at risk and what new roles are emerging. The third one is response. Providing training, reskilling, upskilling programs so workers can transition smoothly. The fourth one is support. Government and companies must ensure social safety nets. And the last one is ethics and regulation. Establish strict rules to ensure AI complements human workers, protects privacy, and upholds fairness. This mechanism ensures AI remains a tool for progress, not a threat. And the first argument, why AI is justified in the workplace. First, intention of AI. The intention of AI development is to assist, optimize, and innovate, not to harm. For example, AI in the hospital reduce human error and save life. 2. Direct harm versus direct benefit. Unlike gambling or crime, AI does not inherently cause harm. It creates opportunity and more. Harm only arises from misuse, which can be regulated. Third, capacity to prevent harm. We can regulate AI, set ethical boundaries, and train workers. Therefore, AI is not a danger we must regret, but a tool we must manage. Why regretting AI is wrong? Rejecting or regretting AI is equivalent to halting progress. Just like rejecting electricity in the 1900s or computer in the 1990s would have been absurd. Regretting AI means denying innovation that could solve global problems. And for practical benefit, workplace efficiency and growth. AI automates repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence. For example, in finance, AI handles data entry while humans focus on decision making. And the second one is job creation and transformation. While some jobs disappear, new industries and roles emerge. For example, cybersecurity, AI ethics officers from engineers, and AI management jobs did not exist before. Third, global competitiveness. Rejecting AI means falling behind in innovation compared to other countries that embrace it. And that's all from me. Thank you.